I work in Phoenix, Arizona, and it is super hot here. It's like 107 degrees right now. The high is supposed to be 115. It's so hot that I think I can make cookies in my car. Holy smokes, it is hot in here. Whew. I got my infrared thermometer here, 200 degrees. It's 200 degrees in my car right now. So I'm pretty sure these cookies are gonna be able to cook just fine. There we go. I think this is gonna work. I really think it's gonna work. 200 degrees in the car. Everybody that I work with, they're gonna love me because they're gonna have cookies for lunch today. We're headed out to get the cookies in the car that looks like we're done cooking. 192 degrees.
Oh my
I
goodness.
think it smells good.
Oh yes. Very good.
Milk.
Milk?
And we're rolling.
Oh, we are. No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
Oh my goodness. Well, hello. Does anybody here want any milk or
Cookies?
milk?
These cookies were cooked in the dashboard of my car.
Yes, Doug's
The secret
famous
recipe.
dashboard restaurant. I mean, come on, seriously?
Anybody interested in cookies?
I would love a cookie.
Would anybody
let's
want any
do it.
milk? All right, Mama's pouring it, but she's not going to give it to you. So you don't get it. This is it, Danielle.
Yeah,
10
I'm trying
minutes
it.
if the car went 15 outside.
No, I just figured 4 hours was
This is
long enough.
really good.
Warm. Still warm.
It's warm.
And
It's soft.
And chewy.
And chewy. This is good.
Kind of tastes like a 2007.
It's enough to have seconds.
No, I'm just kidding.
Tastes like Red Car. It's
Car.
a dashboard special. So what is your assessment of these cookies that I cooked in my car?
I would give it a 10. What do you think?
I would say a 10.
Yes.
Definitely a 10.
They were soft.
Gooey.
They were warm.
They were crispy on the outside.
Oh
They were
yes,
very
yes.
It's perfect.
So Doug, next week, oatmeal raisin, maybe.
We will
Bacon?
see if it's hot enough.
Oh
we'll do
gosh, we'll
it.
just
Bacon,
open a restaurant
eggs,
out on your dashboard.
pancakes. It's never gonna end.
Yes. Bye. Bye.
Judging by the status of these cookies, it seems like everybody really, really liked my car cooked cookies.
Milk? Milk? Milk?
Milk.
Milk.
Milk? Is it milk or milk or
It's milk.
Or milk?
milk? Oh,
So we
so
got some milk.
does anybody want any
and
milk?
cookie.
A cookie.
Would anybody
right,
want
let's
any
do it.
milk? Here's the milk. John, I know you like your milk.
Milk. Yes.
Milk.
Only
Milk.
if it's
Milk.
Milk is better.
So